Hi, I'm Ritika. I'm the vertical lead at Titan for the Design Impact Initiative. Right now, we are at Proto Village, where we have the first cohort of the NEST program under the Design Impact Initiative. NEST is a program that is meant for young social designers, young social entrepreneurs. It's called the National Entrepreneurship for Social Transformation, and we have 29 teams that have been selected for the first cohort. And here we have, the first batch happening, which is basically a residential workshop where, we have teams going through various activities where they build, the muscle of resilience, and they build the muscle of, how do they deal with ambiguity? How do they deal with people? How do they build teams? How do they talk to community? How do they deal with their own fears? And we feel that, the person behind an idea is more important, and ideas can keep changing. Today they are doing a particular, they're working on a particular solution, but tomorrow they might be working on something else. The NEST program has a very deep, engaging sort of a, incubation worked out for them. After this, residential workshop, they go to IIM, and they would be doing 3 boot camps over a period of 6 months, wherein they will be building their business plans. They will be strengthening their business plans as well, and taking their idea and product solution to market. And at the end of 6 months, they would also be eligible for seed grants. Selected teams are going to get seed grants worth 10 lakh each, and that will help them, further in their journey. So NEST is a very, thought through, deep engaging incubation program, which essentially is meant for social entrepreneurs. It is meant to create social enterprises, and it is meant for young minds to actually, figure an issue and work on it.
I'm so happy that we have been able to start this journey of NEST at Proto Village, purely because Shobi and Kalyan have been able to nudge these participants to reflect, internalize, and look for answers within themselves. And that to me is very key, because they have a very long journey ahead of them in their entrepreneurship journey. This is going to come in very handy towards building perseverance and resilience. And I'm so happy that from the feedback which I have got from the participants today, in the last 2 days, both Kalyan and Shobi have been able to do a terrific job towards nudging them towards this internalization. I'm so happy for that. And if meeting one entrepreneur is energizing, I am at 20 of them today, and I'm already feeling like that Duracell bunny, so much energy I'm taking back from all of these young entrepreneurs. I'm wishing them very best in the journey ahead, and I'd like to thank both Proto Village and IIM Calcutta for putting this program together with Titan. Thank you so very much.